What's up guys? So we're in OC right now. Right behind us is Sabrosada, a Mexican restaurant where we could get some of the freshest carne asada fries. I've had like probably over 10 places of carne asada fries, but this is the best when it comes to carne asada fries. And in this mukbang and food reveal, I'll tell you why it is the best. Right, Darsh? Alright, let's do it. About to get some carne asada fries, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Can I get a carne asada fries? Are you ready to eat some carne asada fries, Darsh?
Oh yeah, I'm very ready.
Are you hungry?
I am very hungry, actually. Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so we got the goods. 2 carne asada fries on deck. And now we're gonna bring it back and do our mukbang.
¿Qué ondas, muchacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Le enseño a rolas de rock, back frente. Blast again, esto pa' la gente. Chanclazo, beat, like fregadazo. Still got the coke and rum and flex the brazos. Then I hit you from a different angle. Hey, sweet, cheap shot, virtue, straight cut. Soy el twin, pistolero, guerrero. Don't be afraid of that. A matter of fact, I got like 10,000 maniacs.
Alright, so we're gonna dig in. This looks amazing. We're gonna have to use 2 forks for our carne asada mukbang. Looks amazing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this monster. Look at this monster right here. So me and Darsh got our own carne asada. I usually share this, but I haven't ate all day for this moment, so I'm pretty hungry. So let's do it. Woo. So for all my fans who don't know what carne asada is, I mean carne asada fries are. I feel like it's like a California thing actually, not even like a Mexican thing, because I have a lot of Mexican friends that tell me that they don't have this in Mexico. There's carne asada joints everywhere in Southern California. But yeah, I like to put a little bit of salsa in there. This is the green salsa.
Lots of sauce. Lots of sauce.
Oh yeah. I squeezed a little lemon in there.
Oh, there we go.
But yeah, that's how I like my carne asada fry. Basically, it's just really crispy French fries with, oh my gosh, so good. Onions, tomatoes, guacamole, sour cream, and carne asada, which is Mexican style chopped up steak with seasoning.
So what makes this the best carne asada fries?
That's a good question. So, as you know, we went to Sabrosada. I've eaten a lot of carne asada fries growing up, but when I found this place, I was literally in awe, because you really can't tell the difference between carne asada fries because they're all really delicious. But when I had these carne asada fries, they definitely set their own standard, because basically all the ingredients in here, I'm gonna use some more green salsa, are just really fresh. The onions, the tomatoes, the cilantro, that's also another ingredient here. It's just really fresh. I don't know, it just complements the fries and carne asada very well. So most of like the condiments. Also the fries are really thick, they're fat fries, almost like steak fries. The pieces of carne asada aren't like those little rubble. They're not like the little rubble type carne asada fries that are really oily and greasy. They're actually big steak size type pieces. I don't know if you guys can see.
Legit.
They're actually big. So to sum it all up, it's because all the ingredients are really fresh and delicious. And the fries are just really good. They're not like super greasy or anything. But yeah, this is a monster meal. But good thing I have an appetite right now.
Yeah, you gotta be hungry. You gotta be hungry.
Me and Darsh are going in.
This portion right there. This portion right there.
Darsh is Indian, so he's a spicy eater. So he put on on some red sauce.
Put on more red sauce. Not a stereotype. Indian people do love spicy food. I fucking love spicy food. But I like this red sauce and also this green sauce. They're both really good.
Comment down below if you guys have had carne asada fries before. I used to think that it was like a worldwide thing until I traveled, and like there's not carne asada fries anywhere besides California, I feel like. If you guys had carne asada fries, tell me if you had and where at.
I wonder who came up with this.
Also guacamole. The guacamole here is really good too.
It's like a hidden surprise. You gotta do a little bit of digging. Then you hit the jackpot. You got that guacamole coming out.
Yep.
But before it was all covered. You couldn't see the guacamole.
Yeah, I really think this is the best carne asada fries. The other place, like I said, they're usually really greasy, which like you can't complain about because it's like fast food. But this place, they cook everything separately and they put it all into this big container, bowl, whatever you want to call it, of greatness. Yeah. The portion here are big too. Usually they don't put too much meat, but this place gives a good portion of meat. These carne asada fries are the best. Sabrosada, and there's a couple locations, but most of them are in OC. This one's open 24 hours. If you have late night munchies, you know where to go now.
How much was it again?
Good question. So they actually have like a medium size and a large size. Like I said, I have an appetite, so I got large. This one's like 10 bucks. I think the smaller one's like 7 or 8 bucks. It's actually a pretty good price too, because some carne asada fries could range up to $12, and it doesn't even compare to this. So
Yeah. Just a reminder, you're getting a lot of food too. Like, it's a lot.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm halfway there, but I'm getting pretty full. But it's so delicious. I don't feel like stopping.
Yeah, it's just like really good. It's like really freaking good.
So I've recommended Darsh this place. I personally was hyping it up the whole car right here, saying it was like the best carne asada fries. So go ahead, Darsh. Give your honest opinion. Spotlight's on Darsh now. What do you think? No bias. Go ahead.
I think it lives up to the hype. I don't eat carne asada fries often, but
You eat enough though.
I
You
eat
live in
enough.
California, bro.
Yeah, I eat enough, I guess. But yeah, this is like really, really good. Like, I probably shouldn't eat anymore, but I'm gonna continue eating because I want this sensation that's going on in my mouth. The quality of the meat, how it's not rubble.
Yep.
Just some unique like carne asada on top.
It actually says like real carne asada on top of the fries.
Yeah, like the fries themselves are like really good. Thick, but not too thick. Like literally the perfect size.
Yep.
I like how there's like hidden surprises like guacamole.
Yeah.
At the surface, it just looks like carne asada on the fries. But then you do a little digging, and bam, there's a guac.
Exactly. Alright, so like how I said, I'm like kind of full. Luckily we have a third mukbang member to clean up these fries for me. Cause you know you can't let food go to waste.
Honey.
So here's Lynn. I'm sure my fans have seen her before in my travel vlogs. But she's going to try these carne asada fries. She's actually a chef. She's gonna tell us if these are the best carne asada fries she's had. It's not warm anymore, so keep that in mind. Go ahead. Celine was a bit camera shy. She didn't want to participate in our mukbang, but it's okay. She didn't make any dents at all. There's actually a lot left, so I'm gonna have to finish this. But you know what? She brought her own food to the party, some crawfish. She only has 2 left though. Here's Lynn with the surprise crawfish mukbang.
Some garlic, hash mushroom, crawfish. Where'd you get the carne asada?
Sabrosada. Tell them how the
I
crawfish
actually
is.
don't know where this one is from, but it's pretty juicy and flavorful.
Did you make it yourself?
No, it would have been better. Just kidding.
Okay, we'll continue with these carne asada fries. I don't know, I'm pretty full though. But yeah, these fries are very moist and juicy. The meat is juicy actually. Look at all this guacamole. Also, why this place is the best, they're not cheap with true amenities either. Like the guacamole and the meat. There's plenty to go around.
Just loading it up with some hot sauce.
Actually,
Because I love spicy.
This is the Indian spice right here.
is there any dipping sauce?
Yeah, there's all these sauces right here.
What? We should make a separate crawfish mukbang video of just literally her eating for that.
I don't even know what mukbang is.
I don't know what it is either until he told me about it.
But just eating and talking?
Yeah. Apparently it's a thing.
Alright, so I guess you guys got the point of what these carne asada fries are. I feel like we ran out of words to describe them. We're at the crib. There are some Brodard spring roll here, so I'm just gonna eat these spring rolls to finish off this carne asada mukbang. Let's see. Do you want to try one? Oh yeah, you have a bite. Alright, I'm about to eat these spring rolls. It's basically like a Vietnamese sausage spring roll. A lot of vegetables in here. In this fish sauce.
What is it? What is it?
It seems like Darsh is not finishing his meal. What do you have to say to the fans, Darsh? You're disappointing them. You're not finishing your carne asada fries.
Look at this guy. Now you're finishing his own, making his sister finish his own.
I finished more than you though. But good point, you got me.
I do this all by myself, LeBron
Hey.
James style, 2016.
Hey, I finished 80% of it though. Alright, so I'm gonna
I'm going
finish
in
these
with
off.
LeBron James in the 2016 finals.
Let's do this. Back to carne asada fry eating. So we're in the finishing rounds of our mukbang. Apparently during a mukbang, you're supposed to talk about like, random thoughts, I guess. I'm pretty new to this too, but yeah. I guess we should talk. What do you think about the Anthony Davis trade, Dart?
Alright. For all my
basketball fans out there.
Me and this guy are both Laker fans.
Like, I'm a Clipper fan though. I'm a Clipper fan according to Alex. No, I'm just joking, I'm a Laker fan.
We're fan according to one of our friends.
Just because I went to a Clipper game.
Me and him went to a game where the starting lineup was Xavier Henry. You know who that is? You know, you're a true Laker fan. Xavier Henry, Nick Young,
Robert Soccer,
Jordan Hill, and then someone else like.
Oh, Ryan Kelly or something.
Yeah, Ryan Kelly.
Yeah, that was the most trash lineup I've ever seen.
Did they lose that? They lost that game, huh? Against Spurs, but it was kind
They
of
lost like 80% of games, bro.
Look at that.
I finished mine with the help of Lynn.
Initial reaction, I was a bit disappointed that we gave up so many assets, like too many assets, I'd say. I really like Lonzo Ball. I think he's going to be a great player. I think Brandon Ingram also is going to be a great player. Josh Hart as well, going to be a great player. On top of that, they gave up... No, I got to finish this. On top of that, they gave up 3 picks. One of them being a 4th pick in this draft. I thought a little more negotiating could be done. We did keep Kuzma though. So, I mean, that's cool. I like Kuzma. But yeah, I mean, AD is a top 5 player in the NBA. Looking past it now, like it's over for the NBA because people don't realize how good Anthony Davis is. He's a freaking freak. Like he's a damn freak.
Let us know what you guys think about the Lakers trade. If you guys are NBA fans, this might not pertain to you at all if you guys don't like basketball, but we're there for a lot of the dark days when the Laker teams was pretty trash. But now with LeBron and AD, we're about to win. I'm gonna be a good Samaritan and help Darsh finish this.
Help me.
This Carne Asada mukbang.
Like Kyrie helped LeBron in the 2016 finals.
Yep. I'm gonna come through like Ray Allen. Let's see how Darsh made his fries. So it's a bit spicy because he put the red sauce in there.
Yeah, I put hella red sauce. There's a point where I thought I put a little bit too much because I was kind of
the Indian spice right here.
I think this is the first time I've had Carne Asada Fries sober.
We're on Go Strong. Oh yeah.
I've had it. I think all the times I've had it, I've been drunk.
Yeah.
It's the first time I've been sober for it.
Usually Carne Asada Fries is a drunk food. People get at like 3 a.m. That's why this place is 24 hours.
It's the best drunk food.
After like a party or at a club or something.
If you haven't had Carne Asada Fries after night drinking, you should. Because it's a very good experience. It's delicious.
And also when you're drunk, you're not thinking about the calories either. This is definitely a treat. I recommend you try Carne Asada Fries. But not to eat this on a regular basis because probably just scarf down like a full 2,000 calories right here. It is super fire though. I'm not gonna complain. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's cheese in here too. I don't know if it's too late, but yeah, there's cheese.
Cheesy goodness.
I think we did good. So I hope you guys like that mukbang. There's only a few pieces left. Let's see. So we finished both of ours. If you guys want to see more food reviews, food vlogs, and mukbangs, subscribe to Dan vs. World. And please like this video and comment if you guys have Carne Asada Fries before. I think I asked you this before. And stay tuned for the next mukbang or food vlog.